Okay, sorry. Um, Hi, what's up, everyone? My name is Franz, and welcome to the first official episode of Becoming a Band. What do you call this? Ang tawag? Hindi, sige, ayun, docu-series, nakalimutan ko. So, we also just changed the camera. Naka-cinematic na ata to if I'm not mistaken. And ayun. So, today, I'm gonna take you with me. Cause we're gonna meet with Surgeon. Finally. Kasi ako taga Quezon City pa kami, siya sa taga Parañaque pa. So, babiyahe pa kami ng medyo mahaba. It's actually 2 o'clock now. And nasa Quezon City pa rin kami. And we gotta be there by 5 kasi the audition starts at 5. So, yun. I'll take you guys with me and then let's do this shit. Alright? Hi everyone, I'm back. My name is Franz and currently we are here at SM City, Bikutan. Ngayon, nasa Taguig City pa rin kami pero we're only a few blocks away from Parañaque City, which is border lang naman siya. And katabi na nun yung studio ni Sir Jun. And I'm just really hyped about it and I can't wait to see him. That's all. And did you also know that today is also the audition day? So it's about 4, and we're just waiting for the time. But audition starts at 5, sharply at 5. So we gotta go there now. So anyways, see you guys. Bye. Okay lang. Stay there.
Kanina pa kayo?
Kakarating lang
Commute lang pala kayo?
Opo, kinumit lang namin.
Ah, layo nun ah.
Oo.
Halos half day kayo nagbiyahe?
Hindi naman po. Siguro mga 2 oras, 3 oras.
Ah, okay.
Sa dilim ng gabi na parang walang hanggan, mga tanong sa isip na walang kasagutan, ngunit naririnig.
Style of interview first. We're gonna ask you some questions a little bit, stuff like that, and then we'll proceed with the your number. And yeah, solo performance muna tayo lahat, and then after that we'll proceed with the song with other auditionees. Hi. Hello. Okay. So may I ask how many in here yung lead? Can you raise your hand? Lead. 1, 2, 3. Lead. 4. 4 drummer. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Sige. May chord naman for the guitar. Pero kung may dala kayo, that's not a problem as well. I am the main vocals. Si Kuya Ray yung yung vocals din namin siya pero rhythm namin siya. And si Sergio naman yung aren't you going to be the bass ba? Bass, yeah, bass. Yeah. So we're just looking for a drummer in the lead. Yan, baka well, bonus na lang siguro if you could sing us again. What's your full name?
Ang real name ko talaga Mario.
Yeah.
Mario Ibalier
Mm-hmm.
from Las Piñas.
I
So
see.
mula dito 30 minutes lang.
So like, what do you do? Like, are you still a student or
Working.
working? Oh, nice. And what would you say? Like, how passionate are you with your music career? Kasi
Passion. Paano ba?
like, like, I mean,
Kasi buhay ko na. Parang ganun.
yeah. I mean, is it something that you want to do for a living?
Pang ano, kung tawagin namin pang laman dyan.
Ah, naman siya. Yes.
ng mother side ko, mostly sa kanila musician. Isa din sa mga musician ngayon na pinsan ko is nagpe-play sa Deonella na band.
Ah, wow.
Yeah. And ayun, so sumali ako kasi parang passion ko na kasi siya.
But is it something that you want to do for a living? What?
Yeah.
So my name is Jorik Miguel Jundes, but you guys can call me Jorik,
Okay. Student or working?
student, college.
Student. Okay, that's nice. Anyway, would you say that you're gonna do this for a living?
I've been on a 50-50 on that because like I'm currently studying in a course that's not related to music. Though
I see.
I have played with different bands throughout, well, even before college, and it seems that I can balance both anyways. So yeah.
Okay.
What's your name po muna?
Gabriel Angelo Gatdulo.
Okay, student or working? Student. Would you do this for a living? Hi, what's your name? Bettina. Yeah. So hi, Bettina. Working or student? Student. Would you do this for a living?
If I had the chance.
Super. Ready? Elvis. Okay. So, are you like working or studying?
Jobless.
well, I guess I could say the same thing. Anyway, would you want to do this for a living? If you...
That's the goal.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Anyway, so you're here to play your original, right?
Yeah, except that it only happens.
May I ask your name first? Oh.
Mike Del Valle, Kingsley.
Alright. So obviously working, right?
I'm Sigara.
Yeah. Would you say that you want to do this for a living?